to the video. So today's video is about trimming. Trimming your hair is very necessary if you want a long, healthy, natural hair, because there's what we call split ends. When your ends are split and you don't trim that off, the splits keeps going up and up and up to your hair, and thereby making your hair look very thin. Not making your hair look thin, therefore making your hair thin and unhealthy looking. And also single strand knots, they are not good for the hair, so you have to trim all those bad ends out so that the next generation of hair will flourish. So trimming your hair is very necessary. Don't say, oh my god, I'm gonna trim my long lengths out. I promise you, you're gonna be so grateful you trim those bad ends out. How often should you trim, you ask? Well, it's up to you to consider. If you look at your hair and feel like, oh my god, this is split end, this is single knots, I think I need trimming, okay, you can trim. Side note, if you cannot trim your hair yourself, I really advise you go to a professional hairstylist to help you trim your hair. Don't go cut your hair off, please. I do not advise you that. So there's something called dusting. Dusting is just like, you know, getting your hair all done, you know, especially when your hair's in a twist and then you see little strands poking out, like they're not even, they're just there. You can just cut that out. Cut the strands you think that are damaged and poking out instead of being together with its bunch of hairs. So you can cut that out. That's called dusting. You're getting rid of the bad ends. I don't have a hand dryer now. I haven't bought that, but I'm gonna get that in the future. Meanwhile, I have to make use of what I have available. So that's why I decided to do the African threading to help me stretch my hair. I like to use a hair shears because it's sharp and it is designed to cut hair. Okay, all right, let's get right into the video.
I make sure I combed my hair very well, went in with my white tooth comb and then my brush to remove any tangles and knots as I'm going to stretch my hair. So I'm done with threading my hair, and make sure your hair is not too tight. As you can see, my scalp is kind of tight. Don't worry, I loosened the tightness. I just went ahead to put the hair in a low burn.
Continue from where we stopped. So today is Sunday and I put my hair in this thread on Friday. I couldn't do it on Saturday because I was not feeling well. I'm giving you all this information in case you ask me how many days I left my thread. You can leave it overnight. You can leave it for 2-3 hours just to help stretching your hair a little before we step right into the trimming, okay? So before I continue with this video, if you know you've been watching my video and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you're new to this channel, also hit the subscribe button, okay, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post, you will be the first to get notified. Okay? And then for my old subbies, thank you for sticking around, thank you for watching the videos, for subscribing, for liking, commenting and sharing. I really do appreciate it. And guess what, guys, we just clocked 500 subscribers. I'm so grateful to you all. Thank you so much, because when you watch my video or you comment about what I'm doing on my channel, it really keeps me going, it encourages me. So I really love that. If I will see more of that this period, I promise I will be uploading as often as I can.
So after unraveling my hair, I went in with my brush and then with my white tooth comb and then with my smaller comb, the tail comb. The tail comb helps to bring all the knots that are up to the end, where you can easily cut the damaged ends. Now this is it. I was making use of a mirror here. Do not just assume. I took off the bad ends. And you see how the comb easily slides through. Now that's what you want. I went ahead to twist my hair and discovered there's still some ends poking out. Then I cut that end out. I just basically did the same thing to all the hair section. And if you notice, I did not unravel the whole hair together. I am doing it one at a time.
Sorry guys, my device storage ran out, so I have done majority, just remaining two, so I'm going to show you guys how to do the two. That's it. I am done with trimming my hair and I feel refreshed. I feel happy. My hair also feel happy. You can feel it, you can see it. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post you'll be the first to get notified. And do not forget to comment what video you want me to shoot or make in the comment section. Then share this video to people you think would need it. So thank you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.